Hi, I'm Debbie from Rocketspark, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the following effect using Grid Gallery 2.0. Okay, so I'm going to go to Editor, and I'm just going to replicate what I've done here over here. So I'm going to add a stack, one column stack, and I'm going to add a grid gallery. I'm going to choose the images that I want to put in my grid gallery. So I'm just going to drag them in, but you can also select choose file and then navigate to your images. And this is where I go to adjust my images to fit. So I'm just going to do that, and also where I go to add a link. So you can either link to a page, but in this case I want to be a bit more specific. So I want to link to menswear, the menswear category. So I would select e-commerce, and depending on how you've set up your store, you can go here and link to the category. Okay, I'm just going to save that for now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go back to my grid gallery settings now. And so I've added my pictures, and now I'm going to go into my settings. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to style the shape of the box. So I wanted it to be a little bit longer, and I'm going to increase the gap here to 25, I think I said. There. Okay, so that looks the way I want it to look. Let's just go 30. Okay, next I want to obviously add some text in there. So I'm going to go to text styling. First of all, where do I want the text to sit within the grid? So over here, I've chosen to have the text sitting underneath, which is a new feature with 2.0. You can also have your text over the image if you want. These are some of the options, but in this case, I'm going to put the text underneath my image, and I'm going to put it in a box. So here you can have text underneath your image, not in a box, but here you can put it in a box. So a box is really handy because you can add a background color, which I'll show you how to do, but that's not the look I'm going for in this case. So, and then text alignments, I want to center align my text. So it's a bit difficult to see now because you don't actually have any text in there. So let's just add some text in. So I'll just click the little edit pencil, and there, I'm going to go over there, and here I will just say UN. Here with Grid Gallery 2.0, you have the opportunity to also add secondary text, which is pretty awesome. So I'm just going to say shop now. Okay, that looks good. And I'll do it for this as well, so we can just get a big picture. Sorry, my face is in the way. Okay. And I'm going to just go here and just repeat the steps basically. Okay. All right, happy with that. Now I'm going to go back to my grid gallery settings. And I'm going to go to, so we've added the pictures, we've done some settings for the look and feel of the overall grid gallery. And now I'm going to go into my text styling. So this is the fun bit. Okay, so I've chosen that. I've done my alignment, and now I'm happy with the font because it's the same font as the rest of the website, so that's all good. Red, let's just change that to a more neutral color. And so you'll see here you have title text, so that's that. And the secondary text, you have some options here for displaying your secondary text. So this is really handy. If underline text or a button is a great way to kind of encourage people to click through, and it's shown that it is actually a visual way that people understand that it's a link, that's something, a part of text is a link. So you can choose to leave it as is, which is just display as text, or you can use underlined, which I think looks really nice in this instance. The other option is you can display as a button, which is also really handy. So for this, I'm just going to say display as underlined. There are some mobile settings, so always important to check your preview on mobile. Just make sure that the text is looking big enough. Maybe you want it to sit on the same line. And you can also choose how your grid gallery looks on mobile. So in this case, I actually probably want to do that. So I have just one column, just looks neater. That looks good. That looks good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, so I save changes. And there we go.